Hey there, future web wizards. Welcome to the I'm finally going to become a web developer in 2024 guide. Whether you're starting from scratch or just looking to level up, this roadmap's got you covered. Let's get this digital party started. So, what's this whole web development thing everyone's talking about? Well, it's basically creating all the cool websites and apps that you spend your time on. We've got two big players, front end, which is all the pretty stuff you see, and back end, where the magic happens behind the scenes. Both are important, like peanut butter and jelly, or Netflix and snacks. Now, before you go making the next Facebook or Instagram, you need to learn the basics: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are like the ABCs of the web. HTML's your content builder, CSS makes it look snazzy, and JavaScript adds the cool tricks. Think of it like building a sandwich. HTML is the bread, CSS is the toppings, and JavaScript is the hot sauce that makes it pop. Next up, version control. If you ever mess up your code, which you totally will, Git's got your back. It's like a time machine for your projects. Learn the basics of Git, get yourself on GitHub, and start keeping track of your masterpieces. It's like saving your progress in a game. You'll thank yourself later. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to level up. Dive into front-end development with tools like Sass. No, it's not an attitude, it's a CSS preprocessor. And get cozy with JavaScript frameworks like React, Vue.js, or Angular. These bad boys will make your life easier and your websites cooler. And don't sleep on responsive design. Nobody likes a website that only looks good on a toaster screen. Section 5. Exploring back-end development. Alright, time to put on your serious face and dive into back-end development. Pick a language. Node.js, Python, or even good old PHP. Learn how to deal with databases because data is everything, my friend, and then connect it all together with APIs. It's like being a digital chef, mixing up all these ingredients to create something tasty. Section 6. Full stack development and beyond. Feeling ambitious? Why not become a full stack developer? That's like being a one-person web development army. Learn how to use Docker to keep everything neat and tidy, and explore cloud services like AWS or Azure to deploy your projects. Plus, keep an eye on shiny new trends like Web3 and AI. You know, the stuff that's going to rule the world soon. Section 7. Building a portfolio and getting hired. Now that you're a coding machine, it's time to show off. Build a killer portfolio website to flaunt your projects and skills. Contribute to open source projects and make sure your GitHub and LinkedIn profiles are on point. Network like a pro. Go to meetups, join communities, and let the world know you're the next big thing in web development. Conclusion. Web development might seem like a never-ending game of whack-a-mole, but with this roadmap, you'll hit all the right targets. Start with the basics, keep learning, and most importantly, build stuff. Lots of stuff. Thanks for hanging out with me on this journey. Don't forget to smash that like button, share, and subscribe for more web dev goodies. Until next time, keep on coding and stay awesome.